Yeah, hi guys, with another video. Today we're gonna install this ring doorbell. This is the one. So ring company, they provide us all the tools, screwdriver, and there's screws, and also they provide this leveling that we can put straight to there. Okay, there is also, this is the frame they provide us. Just I took the old doorbell, and what are you gonna do, this side is little higher than this side. What are you gonna do, just put it this and also put to this level, which means right there you put the level here. Oh sorry, hold on, just put the level. Oh sure, hold on, sorry. Yeah, put the level this way, right there, and then just what you do, adjust that. It's bubble, this is the bubble here, it should be in middle, and then that way you know that you are in center, right there. See, I just already I draw here. As you see, there is a line here. I draw it. Oh, but this level, that bubbles, and it's gonna be at the right there. Then you are right to put it this frame. Okay. What are you gonna do? Oh, there is a one. Okay, hold on. There's a one screw place, two, and there's a bottom. There is a one up, one down. You have to use the bottom one. That bottom one, bottom one, two. You screw the frame, and also top two. You're gonna screw. Other holes, which these are, we're gonna screw the camera, this and up, and this is gonna go to the camera. Now frame is, we're gonna use bottom ones, two, and top ones, two, and we will screw right here. All right. Right there. So as you see, I put the level here and screw here, and just go ahead, screw the frame. Now one is done, and again you adjust the level and go ahead and put the other one. It's right here. So go ahead and screw all the way this. Okay, this level already, so good. Then go ahead and tighten it. Yeah. Now what you're gonna do, this, there was a two hole, we're gonna use the bottom one. Two bottom one. So we're gonna screw, two other screw is for the camera. So This two bottom one, just screw all the way. This is two. Okay, this is it. Now, this is the camera. Now, what are you gonna do? Just put here, and there is a 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a 4 screw that you have to put it there. So as you see, I just put the 2 screw here, and one here, and now it's one more here, and one more here. That's why it's okay. This way it's done. You're just gonna take it out this plastic and put it this here. That's it. Yeah, this is the way you can do installation. Yeah, this is the way. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you soon with another video.